show you guys how to use an elevator. Pretty simple. Come up to the elevator. Press which way you want to go down. Down or up. I'm going down. And it was right there. Sometimes it's not. There's doors on the back of this one. Then push what level you want to go to. Doors will close themselves. If they don't close, you can push that. That closes them. That opens them. I don't know what the other ones are. I'm going to press number 2. Then you just sit back and go for the ride. Now this isn't really the floor I want to go on. I want to go on number 3. So I'm just going to push number 3. And it takes me right back up to number 3. Normally you have to wait a little bit. There we go. When it opens, you just walk out. Watch out because sometimes there's